Hello, people on the internet. It's your boy. Your boy is back after a few days, right? ये sort of videos करके थोड़ा सा time हो गया. I thoroughly missed them, but life was थोड़ा सा busy for me. So my upload schedule is पूरा messed up. I'm trying to get it back on track. ये तुम लोग ने 1000 बार सुना होगा, but yes, I do try once in a while. So yeah, I got a new chair. It's very crooked, but it's a chair. uh, so there's two guitars you see in the background. वो हमेशा से सेम वहाँ पे, वो ज़्यादा हिलते डुलते नहीं है वहाँ से. But yeah, uh, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके we upgrading our life. We are getting in a better stage in life. And so I was just comparing this. I was just seeing a show. Okay, it's called 9/11. ओके, तो ये बेसिकली फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर्स के ऊपर शो है अमेरिका में. मतलब फायर डिपार्टमेंट, पुलिस स्टेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड they dealt with a couple of things that even I dealt with back in my day. Okay, and more matlab it's like, see, during my time in my uh, as a some sort of first responder. I wasn't a first responder. I was the one who picked up calls, right? So, matlab, I know how people think just by the tone of their voice. Okay, basically 2 years on the job gets you that. So, uh, I was like that. So around that time, right, I've dealt with too many paranoid people. I've dealt with too many people who were scared without any reasons, right? And मैं हमेशा से सोचता था कि क्यों, मतलब why. Then basically अभी मुझे hit हुआ कि I was also like that once, right? When I was a teenager, मैं 2 साल तक कॉलेज नहीं गया था. My first year in college and my second year, 11th and 12th. तुम लोगों के लिए सिंपल रहेगा. I was a science student. I was a okay student, but I didn't go to college. Why? Because this dumb thing happened, right? During my first day in college, right, I got placed in a massive classroom. Like 300 बच्चे तो होंगे उस क्लासरूम में, and most of them didn't मतलब belong to that division. We had like 15 divisions in our college, but I wasn't placed a division. तो उधर ही टीचर ने बोला कि जो जो बच्चों ने तुम्हारा जिनका मतलब दे डिड अटेंडेंस, अभी उधर ही टीचर ने बोला कि जो बच्चों का तुम्हें अटेंडेंस नहीं पता, प्लीज स्टेप आउट, विल गेट यू अ क्लासरूम. नाउ आई, being the anxious kid back then, was sitting in the middle. I couldn't ask the people who were sitting, like 2 or 3 people were sitting right next to me, to get out, so I can get out. इतनी एंजाइटी थी मेरे अंदर. एंड फिर once I went home, I was like, नहीं जाना कॉलेज. And I didn't go for a month. And after a month, I went. I finally somehow got a classroom, and I was just assuming that people will point me out, single me out, and everything, and along those lines. And basically, finally, guts थोड़ा सा जमा करके I went. I finally figured out what my classroom was, and I didn't go again for another month. Like, yeah. पहले तो because traveling from my home to college was around 10 kilometers का bus ride. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा था वो, and because too many people again, and I used to be a very assumptuous kid, if you catch my drift. कि मतलब I used to assume कि people will talk behind me like this, talk to me like this. ये लोग ये सोचेंगे, ये वो सोचेंगे. This will get me to do this and this and that and this. तो basically मैं 3D chess खेल रहा था, 4D chess खेल रहा था, सॉरी, खुद से ही. And after a point, basically it just hit me. Dude, why? why am I doing all this? Like, but then I had various reasons to anxiety, of course. मतलब हाँ, my life was back then थोड़ा सा very wobbly, but I was an extroverted kid, right? So I was an extroverted kid who got introverted due to anxiety. Simple शब्दों में. तो 2 years I was पूरा बोलते ना out of grade zone. ऐसा नहीं था I was out of grade zone. I did go to classes. Okay, classes में जाके मैं सुबह शाम वहाँ पे मरता रहता था और वहाँ पे ही basically पढ़ाई करके somehow I passed. And then for a year I dropped and नहीं I मतलब I passed. I went to animation college. I didn't find it fun, and basically because of some inherent financial issues, we dropped at the very edge of it. Okay, which turned out to be a good thing because it was too expensive for no fucking reason why. So after that, basically my life, right, it turned मतलब फिर मैं जॉब करने लग गया. I wanted to earn money. बीच बीच में कर रहा था पर अभी प्रॉपर जॉब करने लग गया. आई यूज्ड टू गो फ्रॉम एंड आई वाज स्टेइंग विद माय अंकल ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम. आई यूज्ड टू गो फ्रॉम वसई टू लोअर परेल फॉर अ जॉब इन वीडियो एडिटिंग. तो यार at the edge of the year, right, I just decided I want to get back to civilization because Vasai was out of civilization for me. So I did. I got back into college and this time I just decided कि बस हो गया ये सब anxiety कब. Yes, I was approaching I guess 19 या 18 around this time and I was like कि भाई तू 18 साल का हो गया ना, तेरे पास कोई गर्लफ्रेंड है ना, तेरे पास तेरे दोस्त है जो तेरे पास में है, क्या रहा है तू जिंदगी में अपने साथ. FOMO hit me like a damn truck. Okay, and I was like बस हो गया. अभी तेरा भाई खुद से ही बात कर रहा हूँ, तेरा भाई तुझे देख 10 लड़कियां पटाएगा. आई विल बी द सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. आई विल बी द डैम बोलते हैं ना हार्ट ऑफ द ग्रुप एंड एवरीथिंग अलोंग दिस वे. And the sheer luck of it, I did. Okay, I had a very prominent group in college and everything, but we had fun. उसके बाद भी लाइफ हिट की वो सब. It's just anxiety and everything. But along those lines, right, I stopped assuming things and I started to assume things in my favor. पहले मैं सोचता था कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि लोग यही कहेंगे. Okay, it took a while. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगा ये मतलब वो जोन से निकलने के लिए. फिर पता चलने लग गया ना कि यही मेंटालिटी ना सब लोग लेके घूमते हैं. एवरीवन इज शिट स्केयर्ड ऑफ डिसअपॉइंटिंग पीपल. इतना कि they get freeze up the moment they have a choice. I can't live like that. I have lived too long like that, right? कि allowing others to live my life like they want. बोलते हैं ना fitting neatly into a clean picture, कि इनको कैसे जीना है उसके हिसाब से मैं अपनी लाइफ को मोल्ड कर रहा हूँ. I did that way too long and it got me into lots of issues and problems and everything along the way. The moment I took my life back into my hands, right, life just became better. There's Taco here. Taco wants to sit. So yeah, I would suggest you to do the same. It takes a lot. It takes a hell of a lot. पर याद रखो कि the first step, right? The very first step is the hardest step. Hi Taco. Come here. Either. And I'll show him to you. Easier. We took him to the hospital doctor today, by the way. उसको gingivitis हो गया. So he has some overgrowth in his gums. So, you. He's doing better thoda bit. But that's it, right? Life will throw random stuff at you, okay? And it always has, it always will. But the way you react to it, right, changes everything. You can either freeze in fear or strive and reach the top. And I want you to reach the top. I am on the way to the top as well. And I'll be always here with my hands out to anyone who finds their way to me. Because this is your senpai. Your senpai is always here for you. Keep striving on. And keep subscribing. Do keep sharing. Even a little bit counts. Do it for me, okay? I'll see you jaldi hi. Bye bye.